ThinkPad E15 Gen 4. One USB 2.0, 2 Ethernet, RJ45, 3 Kensington security slot, 4 Thunderbolt 4, USB 4 trademark 40 gigabits per second, USB circa 3.2 General 2, 5 USB A 3.2 General 1, 6 HDMI 2.0, 7 headphone, mic combo. Simple to use, yet so secure. With the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 laptop, you can choose to log in with just your smile or fingerprint quickly and securely. Simply look at the optional FHD hybrid IR camera or tap the optional fingerprint reader on the power on button, and you're in. What's more, there's the discrete trusted platform module, DTPM 2.0, a secure chip to encrypt your passwords and other sensitive data. "100% portable, 100% practical." With an extra durable aluminum top cover and weighing from only 1.78 kilograms, 3.92 pounds, the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 can accompany you everywhere. Plus, with dual mics and environmental noise cancelling technology, every virtual meeting is enhanced.